Myself, Amtul. I am lecturer in physics from Government Giraj College, Nizamabad. Today, I want to discuss about first law of thermodynamics. Uh, what this law says, we will say today. So, this law is the, it will say that the principle of conservation of energy. Its mean is to principle of conservation of energy. This law, the first form of this law is, it is having actually two forms. The first form will say that it will give, the first law will give the equivalence between mechanical work and heat energy. Mechanical work and heat energy. When some amount of work is done, so if certain amount of heat is produced, that means if we are doing some amount of work, then some amount of heat is producing. Okay, and vice versa. That means if some amount of heat is producing, means it is like some amount of work is done. So it says that if some amount of work is done, means heat is produced, and vice versa. The equivalence is given by constant J, where J is called mechanical equivalence, and J value is W is equal to J into H, where J is equal to 4.2 joule per calorie. 4.2 joule per calorie. And the second form or the second statement of this law is particular, will say about the conservation of energy. The second statement of this law is particular form of the general law of conservation of energy. Suppose an amount of heat, that is dq, is supplied to a system. Suppose some amount of heat, that is, let us suppose that is dq, is supplied to a system. This is used in three steps. If suppose we are supplying some heat dq to a system, then it can be used in three steps. What are the three steps? That is, first part. See, a part is used, some part of that heat is used in raising the temperature of the system. Okay. In raising the temperature of the system, which is given as increase in kinetic energy. Increase in kinetic energy, that is d uk. D into uk, the change in kinetic energy. And some more part is used in doing internal work against molecular attraction, which is called in, that is nothing but some part of the energy is used in increasing potential energy of the system. Potential energy of the system, that is d into up. And whatever the remaining energy is there, that is used for external work, that is used for doing external work, that is given as dw. So total energy dq can be written as, it is divided in three parts. One is used in increasing internal energy, one is used, some part is used for doing increasing potential energy, and the remaining is used for doing work. So total energy is can be written so as, that dq is written as du plus dw, where du is nothing but the energy for total internal energy. This is